Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to play with some Holbein watercolors. I just received this in the mail, used from a seller. I think I had a set before but ended up getting rid of it just because I had a ton of watercolors at the time. I still have a ton of watercolors, but my interest in the brand has grown a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and pour them into this nice enamel palette. I think I got this from Amazon a little while ago. Then we'll go ahead and swatch all of them. I will throw a few of my other Holbein tubes in the mix just so you can see my entire collection of Holbein. So I just wanted to come back on for a moment and show you guys the final product. But I also want to show you where Hazel hangs out when I'm in the studio filming. She hangs out right below the desk here. She has her little bed. She really likes all the pets. I sneak her under the desk. She loves it down here. It's her little happy place. So I really ended up liking this enamel palette. I've never really used one of these before, but I love the giant mixing areas. I won't get into too much detail about my feelings about all the Holbein colors. The ones that I have turned out to be a lot of multi-pigment colors. It might be nice to pick up a few more single pigment colors to really test out my opinions on them. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this speed swatch session, make sure to go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out to continue making these videos, and it helps the channel a lot. Have a good night, guys. Bye.